Die Firma Scheidel, Kunststoffe Glas, besteht seit 1989.
Scheidel Kunststoffglas started up in 1989. We now employ 50 people in 2 locations, in Willingendorf, Baden-Württemberg, and in Leipheim in Bavaria. We deal in plastic materials and glass and offer complete plastics processing in the cutting area, from cutting to size, to milling and laser shaping, as well as bending and gluing departments.
Wir haben den Zuschnitt auf einer HOLZMA Maschine gemacht. Die haben wir seit 10 Jahren im Einsatz gehabt.
We were dealing with cutting to size jobs on a HOLZMA machine we had been using for 10 years or so. We also had a wall panel saw where we cut HPL panels. Over the years, the volume of orders grew and grew, causing a bottleneck in the cutting area. By sheer coincidence, we were on holiday, the wife and I went past a machine factory and happened to see how a machine was being fed fully automatically. Back home, I happened to mention this. My son then went on the internet with an iPad, with the latest technology, and said, "Look, Dad, it's a system, the BARGSTEDT HOLZMA storage system, the TLF 420, and that's what we have here today."
Das Lagersystem hat
The storage system has to do a number of jobs. Firstly, the saw has to be fed. Secondly, material has to be retrieved in advance. And finally, of course, material has to be returned to stock. We decided on a feed stacking table with the saw so that the saw doesn't have to wait for material, causing it to stand idle.
Wir haben bei unserem System mehrere Vorauslagerplätze, so dass das Material auch über Nacht voraus.
Our system includes several advanced retrieval positions, so that material can also be retrieved overnight. Then it is ready for the next shift, and we can cut all day without interruption, without forklift trucks needing to intervene from outside.
Wir haben in unserem Kunststofflager eine sehr.
In our plastic materials store, we have a great variety of panel thicknesses, panel sizes, colours, different materials. The problem with plastic materials is, I think, the flexibility of the panels and the static charge.
Wir haben das Sägelagersystem jetzt seit knapp.
We've had the saw store system in operation for almost a year now. We have a lot less traffic in the storage area, almost no more forklift truck traffic, material-friendlier transport routes, and we know what we've got in stock. We have no interruptions at the saw, we're able to cut everything that is needed in a day, and are also able to increase capacity at short notice.
Mit dem Lagersystem haben wir erreicht, dass wir eine.
The storage system has helped us achieve a very high level of cleanliness in the factory. Our workers see the storage system as a big improvement, in particular because panels are transported with great care and there is less physical effort involved. Quality is very high, there are fewer scratches on the material and less damage in general.
Durch das Resteverwaltungsprogramm können wir zu jeder Zeit.
With the offcuts management program, we always know what we have in stock. We can specify sizes depending on material value for returning parts to stock, and this means we have a lot less waste than before. We have a fully automatic labelling system. Every part is labelled, gets a barcode and is assigned a storage slot. As soon as the optimization software can use the part again, it tells the workers from which storage slot they have to fetch it.
Wir können sagen, dass wir anhand vom Abfall.
Looking at waste volume, we can say that we save about 20% on material. We use HOLZMA's cut right for optimization. We used to use material-related optimization. That meant that materials, same thickness, same material, same color, were grouped and optimized. This took a long time. Today we use order-related optimization. All the items of an order are entered and processed as they come. This again saves us an enormous amount of time.
Eingepflegt und abgearbeitet, sodass wir auch hier einen enormen Zeitvorteil haben. Wir haben die Säge ausgestattet für schwer händelbares Material und auch druckempfindliches Material.
We equip the saw to deal with material that is difficult to manage, and also material that is pressure sensitive. We can store material parameters on the HOLZMA machine. The saw settings can be adjusted to each individual material. The soft touch package lets us set the pressure beam and the pressure applied by the clamps. This means we can deal with each material according to its specific requirements.
Die Maschine haben wir fast mit Vollausstattung gewählt.
We added nearly every available option to the machine, starting with the extraction system, which works really well. We've got closing devices for the cutting gap. The advantage of these closing devices is that trim cuttings can't get jammed between saw blade and gap, so you don't have to stop work and it's easy to remove the material.
Wir haben auch die Schnittspurüberwachung gewählt. Das bedeutet, dass das Sägeblatt.
We also have the cutting line control option. This means that the saw blade cuts in a straight line. As soon as the saw blade deviates from this line, cutting stops. We've got the package for cutting thin panels. This allows us to cut HPL panels, and the quality of the cut is brilliant.